Today we're delving into the realm of breast enhancement, exploring the difference between two popular procedures, which is breast lift and breast augmentation. Hello, I'm Dr. Muya, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Malaysia. Welcome to GLOJAS Beauty Insider, where beauty meets expertise. Together with GLOJAS, I'm here as your guide, delivering expert insights and practical tips to elevate your beauty routine. Every woman deserves to feel comfortable and confident in her own skin. Changes in breast shape, size, and firmness can impact self-esteem, but there are solutions available to help restore a woman's confidence. Let's find out together and learn differences between breast lift and breast augmentation, empowering you to make an informed decision that aligns with your unique goals. A breast lift, also known as mastopexy, focuses on reshaping and lifting sagging breasts, creating a more youthful and perky appearance. By removing excess skin and tightening the surrounding tissue, a breast lift can rejuvenate the breast and enhance their natural contour. For women seeking to restore lost firmness and elevation without altering the breast size, a breast lift may be the ideal solution. On the other hand, breast augmentation involves enhancing breast size and shape using implants or fat transfer techniques. This procedure is perfect for women desiring fuller breasts or looking to restore lost volume due to factors like pregnancy or weight loss. If you're ready to embark on a transformative journey towards enhanced confidence and self-assurance, reach out to us today. Together, we work for a beautiful, confident you tailored to your goal. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, follow, like, and subscribe.